Ladies and gentlemen, in this digital age, every citizen is a broadcaster. Every complaint we post is data. To us, this is not digital trash, but this is the most honest signal of our society today. Yeah. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm the science student at Telkom University. And today, I will presentation my topic from twist to solution. And this is our agenda today. We will talk about Indonesia digital tools, the algorithm, study case, and finally the solutions. Yeah. Looks at the data. Indonesian 143 million active users in social media. WhatsApp and Instagram are very popular. WhatsApp 91.7% and Instagram 84.6%. And the biggest challenge for the government today is not to find the voice of citizens, but to filter pure insight from millions of noisy interaction. Yeah. How to filter it? We will filter the two algorithms. We use two algorithms and Analytica for natural language toolkit and knife bias. And Analytica advanced filter to perform data cleaning. And knife bias, this is the brain. This is the brain of the analytic. This model was chosen because of its high effectiveness in the classification. Why this is important? Yeah, issue Bandung #1 congested cities in Indonesia, and Bandung congestion level 48%. Travel time, the average travel time Bandung per 10 kilometer is 32 minutes 37 seconds, the highest in the country. And trend, there was an increase in travel time plus 30 seconds from 2023, indicating a continuing problem. Yeah. And we analyze this problem using Twitter data. We have reporting based on social media 100%. This is Twitter. We collected data total nation 262, and we analyze positive sentiment 26 and negative sentiment 171 and neutral sentiment 65. What are details? Yeah, this is a workload for sentiment analyze. Workload negative sentiment, workload neutral sentiment, and workload positive sentiment. In negative sentiment, dominated by complaint about server traffic jam, especially with keywords like jam, Bandung, road, weekend, and many other. This is indicates public frustration with traffic congestion. Number 2, positive sentiment. Centered on an application for smooth, safe, and orderly traffic condition. And neutral sentiment, focus and factual information and official activities. So, what is the solution? Yeah, this method allows the government to work smarter. We move from reactive policy to data-driven governance or smart city. Social media is now a bridge, so into a symphony of data for sustainable city improvement. I'm Muhammad Umar. Thank you very much.